How to change the battery fuse. There are few screws on the battery. We need to use screwdriver first to take each screws off. First two screws are on one side. It is close to the lock. Then there are 3 more screws on this side. And 1 more screw on this side. And the last one is here. Now you can open your battery. You pull out the fuse. You need to pull out the colored part of the fuse. You can see there are some letters or numbers on the surface of the fuse. Identify these and bought the same one at our website. Then just put it back in. After that, we put back the battery. Put all the screws back, then it is done. The process is complete.